Hi friends. Today we are going to make a face mask in easy steps. And we are going to make the same in cloth carry bag, which are very freely available everywhere. So no need to worry, it is environmental friendly as well. No waste. No pollution. We need a carry bag and a sewing machine for making this face mask. First, take a cloth carry bag. Then cut its topmost holder or handle part. Then cut its edges as well. Then cut the same into square shape. So we can make almost 8 masks from this single carry bag. That means we can make them from its 2 layers together. Cut the first layer into 4 pieces. Take one piece to make a single mask. Then take the sewing machine to stick. First stick its edges to make a loop so that it can be look so cute. Then stick its edges as well. After that, fold the cloth into layers or folds to get adequate space for lips and nose. Then attach a piece of cloth to tie the mask behind. The mask is almost ready. We can use it as a makeshift one. These are ideal for emergency situations. You can use beautiful designer clothes to make the mask so cute. These are more comfortable and lasting. Just see. How is the video, friends? If you like, just subscribe and press the bell icon. And comment in the comment section as well. We will be back with more videos soon. Thanks.